Okay guys, we're here at the car show, so let's record some nice cars. Let's do it. Look at this mini car from Japan, Suzuki, like a mini Supra. Nice wrap, like it. Look at this one, man. Is this one the best of the show? Put in the comments. It's amazing. Look at the wheels, work wheels. Wow. That's another one here. This, the best one of the show in my opinion. Put in the comments, what do you think? Okay guys, this was the car culture. We have some nice cars in this video. Let me know which one do you like the most. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.